Ready to transform your design game? Let's jump right into it and create some cool badges in Adobe Photoshop. First, start by opening Photoshop and creating a new document. Make sure your dimensions are suitable for the badge you plan to create, such as 500 by 500 pixels. Now, let's grab the Shape tool from the toolbar, usually found on the left. This tool gives us a quick way to create many shapes. Select the Ellipse tool. Click and drag to draw a perfect circle. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to maintain the shape. Give your circle a color you like, such as a dark blue. This will be the base of our badge. Let's duplicate the circle to make a border. Go to Select Layer and click Duplicate Layer, and then select a lighter color for the border. Then drag the duplicated circle to make its size smaller slightly within the original to create a border. Next is adding the text. Choose the Text tool from the toolbar. Click on your canvas and type in the text you desire for your badge. Experiment with different fonts to find one that fits your style and badge design. Now we are going to curve the text. Click and drag the text. Go to the Transform tool or Perspective tool at the top and bend the text so it sits inside the circle in a curved formation position, and customize it until you are pleased with the final placement. For more details, add other shapes within your badge using the Shape tool. Again, you may use lines, icons, or add a secondary shape to add a different look. Select each shape and apply the effects that match the overall design scheme of your badge. Enhance your badge with effects. Go to the Layers panel, right-click the shape or text layer, and choose blending options. Explore choices such as drop shadow to add depth, or bevel and emboss to make elements pop. Adjust the settings of these effects to achieve your desired look. There you have it. You've created a custom badge in Photoshop. Remember, you can customize the designs further and repeat the steps for more badges. Now go ahead and create your own badges. Don't stop and keep designing. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.